Now, your first alert forecast with meteorologist Chris Sheridan.
6:51 here on Abilene today, and a very cold start out there this morning. So if you are heading out to work right now, grab the coat because you can see that we are in the 30s right now. 39 in Sweetwater, 39 here in the Key City. So cold temperatures across the board. But the good news is that we're going to see the sun return pretty rapidly today. And as that sun does make its valiant return, you can see that the temperatures are going to warm up pretty quickly. We're going to make it back into the mid-60s by the end of the day today. Yesterday, we only got into the mid-40s. So 20 degrees warmer as we head through our afternoon today. And the sun is really going to make it feel very nice out there. So looking at the national satellite and radar picture, you can see that the low pressure systems that were causing a lot of storminess across our region are finally starting to pull out of the area. The much needed rain is now coming to a close, and this high pressure system is starting to build in. It was moving over the Rockies very slowly, kind of just stalled out there, and now it is taking control and starting to clear out our skies. I think over the next 4 hours, we should see the entirety of the big country end up being nice and clear. So let's zoom in a little bit closer and we can see where the clouds are right now. And you can see that we have got full cloud cover across much of the area. Really, Snyder maybe seeing a few breaks in the clouds at this point. But I think that as we head through the day, we should start to see those clouds pull out. And by noon today, the entire area of the big country should be nice and clear. Blue skies is going to be a nice one across the board, starting to feel a little bit more like the spring. So let's time it all out here with our KRBC Futurecast. Low pressure systems moving out of the area. Clouds eventually start to clear out entirely, and you can see that the high pressure now starts to move farther and farther towards the east. And as it does, we start to get the wind spinning up out of the south. So as we head into the upcoming weekend, we're going to rapidly start to warm up. Temperatures are really going to fire up. I think we're going to make it into the 80s for the upcoming weekend. You can see by Saturday morning, we're going to have warm air across much of the big country. So definitely relief is in sight. You can see in today's bus stop forecast for this morning, the relief not quite here yet. A chilly start. We are in the upper 30s right now, so a very cool start to the day, but you can see that we are going to warm up pretty quickly. 64 degrees for our daytime high today as that sun does return to the region. Tonight, with the clear skies, it is going to get chilly. You can see we're going to fall back down into the 40s, but not quite as chilly as last night where we did dip down into the upper 30s. Before we get to the 7-day forecast, severe weather season is right around the corner. And don't forget, sign up for the KRBC weather call. Go to our website, sign up, put in your address and your phone number. And if severe weather is heading towards you, our chief meteorologist, Randy Turner, will give you a call and just warn you about it. So it's definitely a very safe tip to use, life-saving it could be. 7-day forecast, you can see the warming trend I was talking about. Plenty of sunshine, making it back to the 80s for the upcoming weekend. And then shower chances return, potentially some severe weather for the start of next week.
All right, time now for Coffee Club. All about